Leave it there.
Welcome back to Tale 3 Cabins. All the drains are in, and one of the last things I'm going to do on the pole barn before the weather gets nasty is get the gutters put in. And it's probably poor timing because all the leaves are falling down now. If they could have waited maybe another couple of weeks, I wouldn't have to clean out these gutters, but it is what it is. So I thought it'd be a little interesting if you wanted to check out to see the process that they do and method. Maybe in the next couple of minutes here putting up the gutters, and then I got some work with JD to do. The cost for installing the two gutters along the sides of the pole barn with the two downspouts came to $460. It probably took them about an hour total to do the whole job. One more thing checked off my list, and now it's time to start cleaning up around the pole barn itself. I had hoped to get concrete squeaked in this fall, but it's just not going to happen. We're going to have to wait till the spring. So I need to tidy up the area a little bit here with some of the leftover stone I have, just so it makes it easier to get in and out of the pole barn. I'm not tracking mud everywhere. And also going to start leveling off some of the dirt around the sides of the pole barn. It's hard to tell from this angle, but there's a lot of little divots and ruts getting to the pole barn. It's kind of squirrely when you drive in, especially got a load of stone. So I'm just flattening it out. Now I'm just going to tighten up the stone pile a little bit, kind of consolidate the stone and start working on the dirt that I have left over. If you've been watching from the beginning, I started prepping this about a year ago, and I set aside a bunch of dirt when I started clearing the area out for the pole barn, and now it's time to start whittling away at this pile, leveling things out around it, and just seeing if I can neaten it up a little bit. I get really paranoid when I'm working close to this pole barn because I just don't want to accidentally lose bearings of how big the tractor is, what's behind it, if I accidentally swing into it, or just don't want to put a ding in it. I will say we had a couple trials earlier where we had some decent heavy rains and the water is not piled up like it was before the drain tile was put in, so the pipes and everything seem to be working good. They're draining well. I tested them, pouring a bucket of water down the sewer and the water just came right out the pipe, so I know that I have a constant descending pitch going over to the creek. I put the rototiller on not just for this little job, but I know that we're getting our first frost coming up soon and our garden is starting to get a little weary and we're getting ready to just prep that for the fall, so I thought I could kill 2 projects with 1 tiller. I'm running out of time today. I got quite a bit done for what I wanted to do. I still got more to do in front of the door here. On the other side, I still have a lot of large tree limbs, branches, and trunks that it's going to be a job for the brush crusher to pick up and then clean that side up. That side, I still want to put like a little parking area over there, but for now, this will be good. Well, that's about as far as I got. The weather has taken a little bit of a turn out here. The temperature is dropped, and I got some rain coming the next couple days, and I got some other things that I got to take care of. We're got to go run down to Tennessee and a few other projects, so it's going to be a couple weeks before I can get back out here and working again. But I hope we get some dry weather in between somewhere, and I can start clearing out all the wood that was cut down last spring. And there's a lot to do out there, so thanks for checking us out. Hope you enjoy these videos and subscribe, hit that like button, and keep an eye on us. Take care, everybody.